Hi everyone! Hello, good morning! Kamusta kayo? So today is mahaba-haba po ang ating reading. Okay na gagawin. Why? I will read all zodiac sign. Okay, pero with a twist. Okay. So, ano po yun? Guys, I will read all zodiac sign but si masculine lang po. Okay, so titingnan natin kung ano ba yung real emotions ni masculine ng ating uh, masculine person. So this is a male. Okay, kung ikaw ay dealing with a no closure, no communication, separation, in breakup, okay, na ghost, okay, ng masculine, soulmate, or in a twin flame journey. So, by the way guys, mamaya baka this reading is for you. Okay, so titingnan natin. From earth sign, water sign, air sign, and fire sign. Okay. So, sage lang tayo. I already said a prayer na guys bago mag-start. Okay, so, titingnan na natin guys. So, this is your request. Okay. Titingnan natin. Also, Jack. Thank you. Okay. So, I will use a situations card and some oracle cards. So, bibigyan natin bawat zodiac 20 minutes, okay, or 15 minutes per zodiac sign, okay? So, titingnan natin, ano ba yung nararamdaman ni masculine? Ano yung real emotions niya kay feminine? Okay. Ano yung mga pwedeng hindi niya nasabi? Okay. So, tingnan natin yung situation. Okay, so guys, let's start na. Huwag na natin patagalin kasi medyo mahaba-haba. So, let's start with earth sign Virgo. Okay. Focus kayo, Virgo, sa person nyo. So, kung sino yung unang pumasok sa isip nyo, so, ayun. Yung energy na may pick up natin. Virgo. Real emotion of masculine sa ating feminine. Tingnan natin yung situation. Yung pinagdadaanan niya. Oops. Okay. So, we have the receipt cards, a proof or a show me card, okay? Oops. Meeting. 2 or more people, discussion, or planning. Okay. Si masculine, merong imimit or merong kakausapin. Okay, Virgo. Sa masculine ni Virgo, oops, thank you. Pressure cooker, rage, ready to explode, okay. This, meron ako nakuha, Virgo, si masculine ninyo, or some of you ha, yung napipick up yung energy dito, si masculine wants to meet, okay, wants to meet maybe sa inyo, okay, gustong makipagkita nitong person na to or planning to meet you or to discuss something, okay, because this masculine cannot hold, hindi na makapagtimpe, hindi na makapagpigil, or meron tong i-confess, okay? Meron tong ipapakita sa'yo. May ibibigay na proof. Okay. Titingnan natin, ha? May ipapakita. Siguro titingnan nito kung Susubukan ka niya. Virgo, kung mahal ka ba, mahal mo pa ba siya? Bring flowers. Pwedeng makapagkita sa'yo to and give you flowers. Okay. Makikipag-usap. Someone, card denial. Someone here is in denial. Not facing truth. Irrational reasoning. Okay. Maybe, iniisip mo Virgo, for some of you, na siguro meron kang nahuli dito. Or meron kang nalaman, or vice versa, guys, Virgo. Meron kang nahuli, nalaman dito sa person na to, and this person is denying kung ano man yung pinag-uusapan ninyo. Yes, denying accusations or issue or persons, okay? So, maybe, kaya to may kipagkita sa'yo to show you something, okay, na nagsasabi siya ng totoo. Nagsasabi siya ng totoo in regards with the situation. Ang bottom of the deck is a Birch. Birch card, about to reveal or confess. Okay. May ko-confess to sa'yo, Virgo. For some of you, so tingnan pa natin. By the way, guys, this is a masculine when it comes to love section, okay? Sa love to. Itong also jack natin. So, let's sample message of love. Titingnan natin, ha? Kung ano pa makukuha natin. Real emotions. Masculine. Para kay Virgo. Habits. I don't know if we will ever change. Oh my God. Confessing. Oh, meron akong nakuha for some of you, Virgo. Your person commit a sin or may nagawa tong kasalanan. May nagawang kasalanan sa'yo. And alam mo naman, si Virgo, so show me. Si Virgo, laging yan, hindi mag-aakusa yan, hindi yan magdi-dare sa person kung wala yang receipt. Huh? Alam nyo yan, guys. Kukuha pa tayo. I don't know if we will ever change. So, siguro iniisip mo kung so pwedeng partner mo to. Okay. Current partner. May nagawa tong kasalanan sa'yo. Dinideny niya. Ayaw ng Virgo ng sinungaling kasi. So, titingnan natin. Ba't ayaw lumabas ng card? Tingnan natin, Virgo. Ayaw magsalita nung ano, ha. Tingnan natin. Oops! Ay, indecisive card. I know my inability to make a decision hurts you. Indecisive. Maybe, itong person na to, si masculine ng indecisive dito, or ikaw, Virgo. Oo. Ay, thank you. Runner card. I don't want to run anymore. This person don't want to run anymore. This person can't hold back anymore. Hindi na nito kaya magtiis, hindi na kaya. Maybe ikaw to Virgo, kung pwedeng baka i-confront mo tong person na to. Oo. And you are having a receipt about this person, yung mga ginawa niya sa'yo. Okay? Kasi, maybe, hindi nagsasabi tong person na to ng totoo. You are indecisive maybe if kakausapin mo ba tong person na to. Pero, nakikita ko dito, alam mo kung ano yung totoo. You have the receipts. Maybe this person is in denial pa. Or maybe you are the one who is in denial. Okay? The masculine here, meron ako nakikita Virgo na ready to face you. Hindi na to, maybe this person is a runner always, alam mo yon, yung iniiwasan kapag nagtatanong ka. Oo. Or umiiwas to sa'yo. O pwedeng ganon, ha? Nararamdaman itong person na to, Virgo, is rage. Ready to explode. Okay, so Virgo, ito ang iyong oracle card for situations and message of love. Okay, bottom of the deck is hope. I haven't given up on us yet. Maybe for some of you, this is an ex. Ex na may nagawang kasalanan sa inyo. Gusto ka nitong makita. Gustong makita si Virgo. Okay, next. So, Taurus. Ano bang nararamdaman ni masculine over your situation? Tingnan natin. Tingnan natin. So, shuffle natin yung ating message of love and then situation. Guys, if you have a placement ng Taurus, whether moon or rising, okay, or any sa natal chart ninyo, baka mag-resonate sa inyo to. One more. Okay, thank you. Taurus, masculine, real emotions. Uy! For some of you, Taurus, nakikita ko itong masculine na to is naghihintay lang ng sign. Watching, pinapanood ka lang ito or pinapakiramdaman. Oh, thank you. Uy. Sad, broken, feeling alone, crush. Ay. Maybe wala kayong communication nito, Taurus. Meron ako nakita, no communication with this masculine. Oops, thank you. Drastic. Extreme, harsh, cut off. You cut off this person. You cut off this person, Taurus. Ay. This person is sad, broken, and feeling alone. Taurus. Ito ang nararamdaman ng masculine towards your situations, okay? This person is waiting lang, okay? Nakapause. No communication. No interaction with each other. Okay? Naghihintay. This is a, biglaan mo tong hindi kinausap or binlock me. Meron ako nakita, binlock. Kinat off agad. Kaya ito is sad, broken, feeling alone, vice versa, ha, guys. Take what's resonate. Tingnan natin. One shuffle, 4 cards for Taurus. Naghihintay lang to, Taurus. Meron ako nakita. Yung masculine ninyo is naghihintay lang. For some of you is dead ma, walang pakialam. Yung tipo bang bala ka dyan. Uy, unworthy. You're a better person than I am. Oh my God, this person is being petty. Masyadong petty or, alam mo yon, feeling unworthy. Feeling unworthy sa'yo. Okay? Masyado itong nagpapakasenti. Taurus. This is broken, stress or feeling alone. Or, maybe the feminine here is, alam mo yon, saying, if you're the feminine Taurus, vice versa guys ha, you feel na, cut off ko to, kala mo kung sino ka. I'm a better person than you. Parang ganon. And just enjoying your time, walang pakialam, relaxing. Kaya siguro itong masculine na to is feeling sad, broken, and feeling alone. Kasi drastic or harsh yung mga sinabi ng feminine dito. Kuha pa tayo ng cards. Two cards. May Taurus. Oops, thank you. Unexpected outcome. Things didn't go the way I planned. Maybe this person or this masculine, nabigla. Kasi, this is a drastic change, extreme, harsh cut off. You cut off this person drastically. Biglaan mo to. And siguro hindi niya inaasahan yun. Kaya nagulat to. Itong person na to. Hindi niya inaasahan na kaya mo palang gawin yon, feminine. Uy. Oh my gosh. Bottom of the deck is meant. I want to fix our connection. Kaya naghihintay to. Taurus. Waiting lang. Waiting sa'yo. Baka suyuin ka nito. Oops. Thank you. Mistakes. I wish I could right my wrongs. Ay, nako naman, mga masculine. Maybe the feminine here is nagulat na gano'n yung reaction ni Taurus. It can be. Or si Taurus feminine is nagulat na gano'n ang reaction ng masculine. Oo. Kasi Taurus is stubborn. Okay? Siguro may nagawa to sa'yo na hindi mo nagustuhan. Kaya gano'n, no? May nagawa to na hindi mo nagustuhan. Taurus, itong masculine na to. Kaya kinat off mo. This person is crushed and reminiscing. broken. Hmm? And this person feel this is his whole contract. The lessons I learned from us will never be forgotten. Kaya siguro, nagiging petty tong person na to, Taurus, and iniisip niya, you're a better person than I am. May mga ganun kasi sometimes na, I don't know some Taurus as, nagiging, alam mo yun, nagdadrama, nagiging emotional. Okay, so, ito yung nararamdaman ng masculine. Crush, sad, broken, feeling alone. Kasi wala kang pakialam. Ha? Feminine, wala kang pakialam. Taurus, dito sa masculine na to. This person is reminiscing. This person feels that he is unworthy of you. Magkaiba kayo. Okay, next. Capricorn. Shuffle natin ulit. Guys, sabihin niyo kung masyadong mabilis comment kayo. Na-maximize lang natin kasi para hindi humaba. Capricorn. Anong nararamdaman ng masculine? Nakadil mo, Capricorn. Anong situation? Guys, 2 decks lang ang ginagamit ko. Oracle. Kasi feeling ko parang tatagal tayo kapag ka nag-pull ako ng tarot. Capricorn. Nararamdaman ng masculine mo, real emotion niya towards you or your connection. Oops. Uy. Cut off ulit. Katulad ni Taurus. Uy, dami nun Someone is recalling, reminiscing, memorying, returning into your life, Capricorn. Maybe the masculine here. Okay? Recalling your memories with this person, with you, or vice versa, guys, Someone is feeling lost. Kasi po pwedeng ginost ng other person, binlock, hindi kinakausap, kinat off. For some of you, this is a past person, matagal nang nangyari. Ex masculine. Oy. O, di ba? Matagal, long-term relationship. This is the masculine, naka-long-term relationship mo. Maybe your ex. Okay, matagal nang nangyari. Oo, maybe this is the masculine na nang-go sa inyo. Okay. O biglang nawala. Oo, maybe this masculine is the one who is recalling, reminiscing your memories, okay? Together. Or siguro magbabalik itong masculine na to na nang-go sa inyo, Capricorn. Oh my gosh, may magbabalik. This is forbidden. Kasi forbidden card is lumabas. Hindi mo to alam na ito yung nararamdaman ng person na to, Capricorn. Okay, so kuha tayo ng 3 message of love. Oops, thank you. Uy, forgiveness. I'm struggling to get over the past. Maybe, if ikaw ang feminine Capricorn, hindi binlock mo to. Unappreciated. I felt like you didn't care. Uy, someone here is feels unappreciated, hindi pinahalagahan. Okay, maybe the feminine here yung nakaramdam na hindi siya na-appreciate nung lalaki, nung masculine. Maybe the feminine here is the one who is reminiscing this person. Oo. Kuha pa tayo guys ng one card. Meron ako nakuha dito. May ginos dito or biglang nawala na lang. One card for my Capricorn. Ay. This person, meron akong, yung for some of you, Capricorn, nakita ko na this person, this masculine feel lost. Okay? Feel lost. Maybe nararamdaman niya na wala ka nang pakialam sa kanya. Oo. Hindi siya makaget over sa'yo. Maybe magsusorry to sa'yo. Magsusorry. Kung bakit ginost ka. Mend. I want to fix our connection. This person will return. Okay, will return. Kahit matagal lang nangyari to, or this person will travel papunta sa'yo. Okay? Because gusto niya ayusin yung connection ninyo. Kung ano man yung connection na nawala sa inyo, if merong na-ghost, merong disconnection, this person soon will contact you, returning. Maybe wants to have a commitment with you, to have a long-term, okay, relationship with you. Gusto nitong humingi ng sorry. Hindi siya makaget over sa'yo. Capricorn, mahirap ka daw kalimutan. Okay? So, ayan yung nararamdaman ng masculine mo, Capricorn. Okay, so we will go to water sign. So, first is Cancer. O, Cancer. Ano bang nararamdaman ng masculine na person mo? Tingnan natin. Cancer. Water sign. Tingnan nga natin. Last shuffle. Pag ganito naman. Oops. Thank you. Tingnan natin. Cancer. Anong nararamdaman ng masculine mo? Ng person mo? Oops. Thank you. Ay. This person feels that you are already done sa kanya. Oy. Hindi mo pinapansin to. Wala ka nang pakialam. Oy. Thank you. Oh. For some of you, meron akong nakita na may pwedeng ex-husband mo to. Okay. Merong agreement dito. This is a settlement card. Okay. So, already settled na. Tapos na. Or pwedeng si feminine dito, Cancer, ang nakakaramdam ng this is already done. Hindi mo to pinapansin. Yung feminine natin dito. Last one. 4 situation card. Feeling ito, pinapanish mo siya. O sinasadya mo na ano. Sinasadya mo na tawag dito. Wala ka nang pakialam sa kanya. Oo. Tingnan natin. One card. Settlement. This is already settled. Pagkakasundo. Settlement. Thank you. Meron ako nakikita dito na ano, this person will talk to you. This masculine Cancer will talk to you. Oh. May sasabihin to sa'yo. Kasi, bottom of the deck is insatiable, unquenchable, wanting more. So, maybe siguro gusto ko pa nitong person na to, Cancer. Itong masculine na to. Because this person wants to confess, reveal something sa'yo, or wants to have a settlement sa'yo. Ano kaya yun, no? Cancer. Siguro you are enjoying your life and you're already done with this person. Kaso, this person is not totally done sa'yo. Not get over. Hindi pa to, meron ka ditong malalaman pa. Gusto ko itong makausap. Kuha tayo ng 3 card for message of love. Oops. Thank you. Saan na yun? Yun. Reveal. I want to tell you the truth. Oy, may sasabihin to, Cancer. Sabi ko sa inyo, this person will reveal something sa'yo. About to reveal or confess and reveal. I want to tell you the truth. Oh. Meron ditong ano, vice versa yan guys ha. Kung sino sa inyo ang may sasabihin. Kung ikaw Cancer ang may sasabihin sa masculine or si masculine ang may sasabihin sa'yo. Ay. I want to tell you the truth. Oh! Again, mend card. I want to fix our connection. Oh my God. Oh my gosh, Cancer. Maybe you are already done with this person or this masculine Cancer. Wala ka nang pakialam sa kanya. Kaso nga lang, this person still wants you. Still wants to mend the connection or fix the connections with you. Hindi mo pa to alam. Hindi mo pa to alam, Cancer. Kasi this is a revelation. This is a confession. 80. Oops. Thank you. This person don't want to run anymore. Okay. This person, reminiscing. This person is missing you. Missing yung samahan ninyong dalawa. This masculine, Cancer, is nami-miss ka. Nag-reminisce to sa pinagsamahan ninyo. Gusto nitong makipag-ayos sa'yo. Gustong settlement. Gustong, alam mo yon, yung makipag-usap sa'yo. Gusto makipagbate? Okay. Oh, this person is longing. This person is longing sa'yo, Cancer. Ito yung nararamdaman nitong person na to. Itong masculine na to. Nag-reminisce. Gustong makipag-ayos, gustong maging okay yung connection ninyo. Reveal. Ay. Siguro nakikita kanya na very beautiful. Hey. You're doing your, your own thing. Very successful. And sa kanya lang na-realize ko ano yung worth mo. It can be an ex. Or a ex-husband. Cancer. Okay, so I hope that's resonate. Let's go with Pisces. Pisces. Kamusta ka? Tingnan natin anong nararamdaman ng person mo. Shuffle lang natin ng 3. Ano bang nararamdaman ng Pisces? Masculine niya. Tingnan natin. Shuffle na natin ng maayos to para Pisces. Guys, comment nyo ha kung nabibilisan kayo. Ayan. Pisces. Anong nararamdaman ng masculine sa sitwasyon nyo? Oops. Thank you. Legal. Court, paperwork, filed. Hoy. May separation dito. May legal na involved. It can be a marriage. Or property. May nakikita akong property. Bawian ng property. Or hatian ng property. Conjugal property or anything. Children. Ay. Asawa mo to siguro. Ex-husband. Or ex-wife, Pisces. Children, young, childhood, playful. Legal, about a house or about a child. Custody. Thank you. Ay. Escapade, vacation, hideaway, adventure. Natin. Maybe this person or this masculine will take a vacation kung malayo to sa'yo, Pisces. Take a vacation para asikasuhin kung ano yung mga legal matters about properties, any child custody, or para makita ang anak niya. Meron ako nakita ditong separation. Kung pwedeng yung bata is nasa babae. Okay, thank you. Oh, sold. Moving, physical, location change. Diba? Resonated. So, someone here is going somewhere. Maybe meron na ditong hatian ng properties. If you are married with this person, Pisces, meron ditong hatian, meron ditong magbibenta ng ari-arian, kasi lilipat or pupunta sa malayo. It can be. Sad, broken, feeling alone. This masculine is sad. About a separation, about a child, custody. Nagpa-plan. Someone is planning to file a legal matter or legal agreement between ari-arian, property, and a child. Okay, so kuha tayo ng 3 card. Real emotion. Pisces. Give me 3 cards for my Pisces. Oops. Indecisive. Oy, I know my inability to make a decision hurts you. Disagreement. Oh my God. I wish you understood how I feel. Malungkot yung Pisces, yung masculine dito about the separation. Kasi maybe siguro yung feminine natin dito ang indecisive whether bibigyan niya ng custody, bibigyan niya ng karapatan yung masculine natin dito. Maybe si feminine nangaalis with his child, ay with her child. Okay. Reveal. I want to tell you the truth. Uy. Meron ditong gusto makipaghiwalay na, gusto ng hati ng ari-arian, gustong magkaroon ng okay. Bottom of the deck is neglected. I failed to give you what you need. Oh, pwedeng meron ditong paghiwalay na mangyayari. Pwedeng yung babaeng nakikipaghiwalay, Pisces, sa masculine, or it can be yung lalaki ang nakikipaghiwalay sa feminine. Okay, kasi hindi maibigay ng masculine, vice versa guys ha, yung pangangailangan ng bata, nila, oo, kulang yung suporta, laging may disagreement, may awayan na nangyayari, hindi pagkakasundo about a property, about a child, about a relationship, about a marriage. Meron ako nakuha dito, ang indecisive dito yung feminine. Feminine din, meron akong narinig na yung feminine ang nakipaghiwalay. Pisces. Okay, so ito yung situation, ito yung nararamdaman ng masculine. This masculine is very broken, hurt, sad, in this separation or in this situation. Kasi po pwedeng nalulungkot to kasi siguro meron ako nakita kasi na some feminine here is naaawa dun sa person. Kaso nga lang, parang feeling niya kasi, nine-neglect kasi sila nung person or nung masculine. So, vice versa guys, take what's resonate. Okay? O pwedeng yung masculine nang may i-reveal dito sa feminine. Okay? So, done with Pisces, let's go to Scorpio. Scorpio. Situation card. Guys, pagpasensyahan nyo na kung dalawang deck lang ang ginagamit ko dito para pantay-pantay yung reading. Okay? Scorpio. Situation and true emotion of your masculine Scorpio. Sa pang shuffle. Okay. Situation. Oops. Karmic. Third party relationship lesson. Okay. Karmic. Okay. Thank you. Threaten. Embarrass appearances. Searching. Online looking for info records. Thank you. Lockdown. Mental prison. Confined. Uy, maybe, Scorpio, you are dealing with a karmic, okay? Or someone who puts you in a third-party relationship. Uh-huh. Someone here is meron akong nakikita looking for information about a third party, or a third party is searching for information about our feminine here. Someone is feeling locked down. Okay, okay, okay. Scorpio, karmic, or a third party feminine, whether a feminine or a masculine, is threatened sa'yo. Okay? Threatened sa'yo and searching online about you, looking for information about you. Na? The masculine here, pwedeng niloko ka nito. Ha? Scorpio. Niloko ka nung masculine. Or you are in a mental prison right now. Or itong person na to. Or pwedeng ikaw to, Scorpio. Searching online. Or threatened, okay? Threatened about this karmic. Huh? You are overthinking. Kasi si Scorpio lang alam kong overthinking, bukod kay Virgo. Bukod sa feeling ko meron dito nag-overthink about a third party, kaya nagsisearch online ng ebidensya or ng information. Ha? Tingnan natin, ha? 3 cards for Scorpio. Oy. Reflection. Being away from you has allowed me to gain clarity. Ay. Someone here is naliliwanagan na about a connection. Nakapag-reflect na, na-realize na, o pwedeng ikaw Scorpio to, yung naghanap ng information about a masculine, or meron kang duda kay masculine na nag-cheat. O pwedeng ganon. Disagreement. I wish you understood how I feel. Disagreement card ulit. Meron ako nakuha dito na you are overthinking, Scorpio, and searching online, looking online, okay, about this karmic. Naliliwanagan ka na. Having some clarity. Kasi pwedeng meron ka na, nalaman mo na yung totoo. Ano to? Shadow side. You made me realize my flaws. Someone here is overthinking, comparing yung sarili niya sa other person. Pwedeng meron disconnection dito, merong hindi nag-uusap. May na-realize about sa isang person. Meron ditong hindi confident. Overthinking. May nakuha ako dito na yung feminine dito ang nag-overthink. Pwedeng ikaw feminine ng niloko, ha? Maybe ikaw si Scorpio, or this is, the masculine here is the Scorpio. Siya ang niloko. Vice versa, guys, ang energy, ha? Take what's resonate. About a disagreement. Kasi siguro, someone here is having an intuitive, okay, intuitive download na someone here is not being honest, niloloko, nag-cheat, inilagay sa third party, ha? Nag-overthinking, kaya naghahanap ng kasagutan. Ngayon, nalaman niya na kung ano yung dahilan ng separation. Whether this is the masculine, ha, Scorpio. Kung ito ang niloko at ikaw ang nagloko, or ikaw ang niloko at si masculine ang nagloko. So take what's resonate, ha? Mayroon ako nararamdaman na stress. This is a secrets, okay? Secrets. I haven't told you everything. This person is hindi sinabi yung totoo. Yes. Meron lang kutob dito na nangyayari. Na someone here is putting another person in a third party. May involved na iba. Ay. So, I hope nag-resonate sa'yo to, Scorpio. So, tingnan natin. Air sign na tayo, ha? Air sign. First is Libra. Libra. Ano ang real emotion ng masculine? Situation. Tingnan nga natin. Libra. One more. Ooh, Libra. Real emotion ng masculine over this situation. Oy, thank you. Lockbox. Close in, trap, frustrated. Maybe the masculine is frustrated. Uy, again, a legal matter. Lockbox legal. Court paperwork filed. Meron akong nararamdaman dito na, ay, thank you. Financial support. Child alimony, government. Ay. Someone here is having a legal fight with someone. Oh, children. Children, young childhood. Okay. Maybe, Libra, you are having a court or legal matters with this person, this masculine, okay, already filed about a financial support, or po pwedeng nireklamo mo to, itong masculine na to, Libra, kasi ipapakulong mo kasi hindi nagbibigay ng suporta sa mga bata o mga anak ninyo. Maybe this is your live-in partner, an ex, okay, an ex-husband, or literally a husband. Meron ako nakikita dito na merong ipapakulong. Kasi this is a cage, okay, lockbox, ipapakulong, okay, legal. Meron ditong kinasuhan, okay, for some of you. Kasi hindi nagbibigay ng support, maybe a bawsi case, okay, about sa bata. Ha? So, tingnan natin. Libra. Shuffle lang natin ng dalawa para ma-shuffle ng maayos. Okay, Libra. Give me 3 cards for Libra, please. Real emotions or situation with this masculine. Oh, reveal. I want to tell you the truth. Unappreciated. I felt like you didn't care. May nakuha ko dito. Teka lang. Chemistry. I have never felt a passion in intense. Ay? Okay, someone here feeling walang pakialam si masculine, kasi nga, hindi siya sinusuportahan, walang cared sa kanila. Oh, bottom of the deck is responsibility. I have to take care of my financial and emotional needs. Libra, maybe you will reveal, okay? You will reveal this case or itong final mo na case sa kanya. Kasi nga, feeling mo, wala namang pakialam sa inyo tong masculine na to, sa mga anak mo. Feeling mo, parang ginamit ka lang nito sa sex. Kaya kayo nagkaanak lang, parang ganyan. Meron ako nakuhang ganyan, ha? Wala naman talagang pakialam sa inyo. Kasi ayaw magbigay ng maayos na suporta. Or, meron ako nakita dito, meron nang napakulong dito, merong pinakulong, merong ibinilanggo kasi hindi nagbigay ng financial support, okay? And feeling nitong guy na to, kung nakakulong to, kung kinasuhan mo to, Libra, is wala ka nang pakialam sa kanya. Oo. Yun ang nararamdaman ng masculine, ha, Libra. So, vice versa, take what's resonate. Meron ditong naramdaman na parang ginamit lang siya sa sex. Tapos, nung nagkaanak na, pinabayaan na. Di nagsusuporta. Okay. So, Libra, I hope nag-resonate sa'yo to. So, I will go na kay Aquarius. Aquarius, ano yung real emotion ng masculine sa situation nyo? Ay, so tingnan natin, ha. Aquarius. Ay. Ulitin natin. Ay. Aquarius. Masculine real emotions. Oops, thank you. Receipts. Proof, show me. Masculine real emotions. Oh, dami. Thank you. Drama queen. Thirsty, causing chaos. Soulmate. Similar friendship, romantic partner. It can be a soulmate. Feeling nito, nagkukos ka lang ng away. Settlement, agreement, compromise. Meron kayong hindi pagkakaunawaan nito. Aquarius, nitong masculine na to. And feeling nito is parang naghahanap ka lang ng away. Pwedeng may disagreement dito. Tapos, pwedeng makipagbati ito sa'yo. So, tingnan natin. Three cards for Aquarius. Oops, thank you. Conversation. I want to call you and hear your voice. This person wants to talk to you. Aquarius. Or maybe you want to talk to this person. Third party. They were other things that got in the way of us being together. Ito yun siguro. Yun ang nag-cause ng away ninyo. Okay. Ng paghihiwalay. Okay. Someone wants to talk to you about a third party. Thank you. Irreplaceable. The way you love can never be matched. And bottom of the deck is a runner. I don't want to run anymore. Uy. Aquarius. Pwedeng this is an ex, a masculine, a soulmate. Okay. Someone here wants to talk to you, wants to clear mga bagay-bagay. Clear things up, clear a situation, a topic, or an issue. Kasi this person feels na walang makakapantay sa'yo. Maybe there is a woman, okay, that caused chaos between the two of you. Okay. Meron ako nakita dito, maybe a friend, okay. Causing drama, kaya hindi kayo nagkaintindihan. Maybe this person wants to talk to you, wants to settle things, okay. Wants to clear things about a third party. Okay. Wants to talk to you. Okay, so Aquarius, so ito yung nararamdaman ng masculine. Whether ikaw ang masculine or this person is the masculine, this person wants to talk to you. Wants to show or kakausapin ka. Will give you proof or a truth. Okay. About a situation or about a third party na nag-cause ng pagkakaroon ninyo ng separation. Okay. About a drama queen, someone that caused your situation or disconnection. Okay. So, I hope nag-resonate sa'yo to. Aquarius, let's go with the Gemini. Gemini. Anong nararamdaman ng masculine? Gemini. Tingnan natin ang nararamdaman ng masculine. For Gemini. Oh, thank you. Gemini, anong real emotion ng masculine sa sitwasyon nyo? Oops, thank you. Oh. Uy, love affair, dirty little secret, down low, lost, ghosted, block, cut off, intervention, rescue, others involved. Meeting. Two or more people, discussions, planning. Someone here is feeling lost about an affair. Okay. Well, maybe this Gemini, or if you're the masculine and this is the feminine, vice versa, guys. Kung niloko ka nito and you feel lost, huh? Kasi siguro niloko ka nitong person na to. This is an intervention. Okay? Kasi nga, niloloko ka lang itong person to, may affair to. May secrets na hindi sinasabi sa'yo. Ha? Maybe this person ghosted you. So, anong reason ng pag-ghost niya? Eh, kasi may affair siya or may other person siya. So, this is an intervention in your connection with this person. Gemini. O pwedeng gusto mo tong makita. Itong person na to or itong masculine na to. If you are the feminine or this masculine wants to talk to you. Okay. Tingnan pa natin. If this person is bigla na lang nang go sa'yo and hindi mo alam bakit bigla tong nawawala or nagkaroon ng disconnection, this person is hindi nagsasabi ng totoo. This person has someone else. Okay? Gemini. So, pwedeng malalaman mo to or makikita, meeting, or mapag-uusap, merong magsasabi sa'yo. Tingnan natin ha. Give me 3 cards for Gemini about a masculine real emotion. Oops, thank you. Shadow side. You made me realize my flaws. Uy, indecisive. I know my inability to make a decision hurts you, pero kanina tumasik siya na in reverse. Ay, naka-reverse. Meron dito is hindi na indecisive. Okay. Or having a decision na po pwede sigurong tatapatin mo tong person na to. Ha? Tatapatin mo tong person na to. Kung ano yung totoo, tatapatin mo na siguro may iba ka, kakausapin mo, i-confront mo. Ha? Meron ako nakikita dito. You are not indecisive na. Kasi you realize something in this person. Na may ibang involved. Runner. I don't want to run anymore. Oh, di ba? Someone is not running na, will meet someone to talk. Okay. Hindi na siya indecisive. Ha? May makikipag-usap dito. Meeting. It can be magsasabi na to ng totoo sa'yo, or it can be, may malalaman ka about this person, Gemini, na merong affair na nagaganap. Kaya biglang nawala, biglang nag-ghost, biglang nag-block. Bottom of the deck is time. I'm afraid it's too late to take action. So someone is not running na, ha? Will talk to you, will meet you, kasi someone feels na baka too late na to take action or itama yung pagkakamali. Ha? Meron akong nararamdaman na ganun, ha? So, take what's resonate. So, this is nararamdaman ng masculine for Gemini. So, next is Aries. Fire sign na tayo, guys. So, titingnan na natin sa fire sign natin. Anong nararamdaman ng masculine for Aries? Real emotion sa sitwasyon. Last one. Aries. Aries. Masculine real emotions with your situation. Uy, tatlo na agad to ah. Pop up. Spontaneous, unexpected, surprise visit. Projected, future, days, weeks, months, and entrapment. Pregnancy, money, heartstring. Uy, someone will travel papunta sa'yo unexpectedly. A surprise visit. Access granted. Social media, fake profile, hiding. Someone is not hiding anymore. Will go to other person. Will talk to other person. Travel papunta sa other person. To talk about a pregnancy, maybe a money or a relationship. So, tingnan pa natin. Pregnancy. Oh, be careful yung iba sa inyo ha. Kasi mamaya baka this person, Aries, is ng ghost. Tapos, biglang mag-pop up in front of your house. Kung alam nito kung saan ka nakatira. Tapos, mabuntis ka ha. Be careful. Or yung iba sa inyo, meron ng manganganak, or if this is the father of your child, meron akong nakikita dito na babalik to, magta-travel papunta sa'yo kasi nga nabalitaan niya na manganganak ka. Unsatisfied. I wasn't happy the way things were going. Meron ako nakuha na someone is not, hindi na magtatago. Oh, thank you. Miss opportunity. I didn't act when I should have. Oy. Last card for my Aries. Oops, thank you. Destiny. I'm struggling to find the right path. Okay. So, what I sense here, meron akong nakuha na someone feels that you are a missed opportunity, kaya this person will travel papunta sa'yo kasi na-realize niya na ikaw ang makakapagpasaya sa kanya. This person is unsatisfied with his life, okay? This person is struggling to find the right purpose or kung ano yung purpose niya sa life kasi nga naging malungkot to nung nagkaroon kayo ng disconnection. This person maybe be careful, entrap you in pregnancy. Okay? Para hindi ka makawala na sa kanya. Aries. Maybe this person is watching you on a fake social media, fake profile, okay? Okay, so let's go with Leo. This person is not satisfied, ha. Magpupunta sa'yo to, Aries. Leo. So, tingnan natin. Ano ang true emotion or real emotion ng masculine kay Leo? Last one. Leo. Okay. Masculine real emotion. Thank you. Receipt again. Single. Current status available. Bounty hunter, chaser, hot pursuit. Soulmate, similar, friendship, romantic partner, family, blood ties, inner circle. Oy, this person will show you. Maybe po pwedeng bigla tong sumulpot, magpakita. Huh? This person maybe is looking for you. Meron akong narinig na looking for you. This is a soulmate. Okay. A romantic partner. Huh? This person is eyeing on you. Someone is looking for you. Meron akong nakikita dito. Leo. May naghahanap sa'yo. This is a single person. Available. A gentleman. A bachelor. Hmm? Meron ako nakikita dito na this person thinks that you are hot and sexy. Meron kang secret admirer, ha? Leo. Tingnan natin. Masculine. Ay. Overwhelmed. The stress from this is draining me. Man, I want to fix our connection. Oy! Someone here po pwedeng this is a love interest before. Kaso nga lang, itong person na to is in relationship siguro dati. Ha? Or maybe, ikaw ang single dito, Leo. And maybe, naghiwalay kayo nito. Single ka na. Kaso nga lang, this person is overwhelmed, stressed doon sa separation ninyo. This person will going to chase you. Kasi this person wants to fix your connection. Last one. For my Leo. Oy, thank you. Runner. I don't want to run anymore. Oy, someone here is a runner and a chaser. Runner and a chaser. Oy. Someone will chase you, Leo, if this is the masculine and you are the feminine. This person wants to mend or fix your connection. Kasi nai-stress tong person na to kasi iniisip niya mamaya baka may umagaw sa'yo kasi naghiwalay nga kayo and you are single right now. Single na ang status mo, ayaw nito na mapunta ka sa iba. Okay? Okay, so last one is si Sagittarius para sa ating fire sign. So Sagittarius, ano ang real emotions nitong masculine na to sa'yo? So tingnan natin. Between sa sitwasyon ninyo, anong nararamdaman nitong masculine na to sa sitwasyon ninyo? So this is our last sign, Sagittarius. Okay. Oops. Thank you. Sagittarius. Give me 4 sign for my Sagittarius. Oops. Ay, irreconcilable differences, divorce final, legal, court paperwork filed, triggers, name, car, place. Drastic, extreme, harsh cutoff. Oh, anxiety, scared, panic. Oh, someone here is having a divorce, a legal separation with someone, maybe a married. You Sagittarius and this masculine is married. Hmm? This masculine is your ex-husband. Meron akong nakita. Ex-husband mo to. And trigger nyo ang isa't isa. Maybe, last hapon. Oops, thank you. Give me 3 cards for my Sagittarius. Ego. I let my pride get in the way of our connection. This person is being egoist. Is an egoistic kind of a person. Mataas ang ego. So, pwedeng this person is mahilig sa sasakyan. Okay. Secrets. I haven't told you everything, pero in reverse siya. Kilala mo tong person na to. Last card for my Sagittarius. Oh, what's this? A new chapter. I'm trying to move on. Okay, so Sagittarius. This relationship or this masculine feels that end na talaga, irreconcilable na yung situation ninyong dalawa. Kasi meron na ditong court or legal matter, may separation na dito. This person is hindi matanggap yung nangyari sa inyong separation kasi masyadong maigo tong person na to. Oo. And alam mo to, Sagittarius. Maybe this person is trying to move on na. Kasi nga alam niya na irreconcilable na, hindi na kayang i-reverse pa, baguhin pa, or bawiin pa kung ano yung nangyari between the two of you. This person is trying to move on. Realizes na kailangan niya nang mag-move on sa inyong dalawa. This is a drastic change, okay? An extreme situation. Okay, so guys, I hope nag-resonate sa inyo yung ating reading ngayong umaga. So, again, this is a masculine real emotions in all zodiac sign, okay? So, comment down below kung meron kayong mga request na topic. Kung nag-resonate sa inyo, please do subscribe, leave a comment, like this video. So, hindi ko napapatagalin, masyado nang mahaba yung video natin, guys. Maraming salamat sa panonood. I will put the timestamp sa ating description box para makita ninyo, okay? So, magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Happy Wednesday. And God bless sa inyo. Bye!